Menteri Rangba ke Jela Kurat Sangma Negasngi aba play pajba ya ke Rural Health Center Myriaw Eastern West Kasil District hak jingdon lang Menteri Kam Yelekai ba Shakler Warjri badu MP ke Raja Sabha Dr WR Karluki haba jingkren hak ni jingalang Menteri Rangba ulaong ba kakot ke khia kadai ke wei ni ki kam babun ba ki jing tenju hapo ke Jela haba kedau ya ke jingkela balawan ra hak jingtai ya ki Jaka Sumar hak ni ki nyaus nam ban penlong ya ki Jaka Sumar ke bapoi sya ki nong Shnong basa sya ki Jaka nong kendong haba keren hak ni sngi ulaong ba sarkar Jela kala ko jingmut ban penkela ya ka tenat kakot ke khia da ke jing ai ya ka mang pisa ka ba hedu ka bakot hadu khandai persen badai kabahedu hapo kari India. Long ru bakni kadai kapang, bat kajingkut jingmut basisha jong sarkar Jela. Ya kani ke Rural Health Center lebih tengka daka CMSDF ka Myriaw RHC kan kdup ya arpway tylli ke Shnong bat en pyniaid ya ka daka Dr HG Robert Hospita.
Rescheduling it, and I would once again like to apologize to each and every one of you for the inconvenience that has been caused to you. But this gives me great pleasure, a great sense of happiness, and a great sense of satisfaction to be here amongst all of you to witness the inauguration of this Rural Health Center. I must thank Reverend S.S. Myriaw, someone I have been very closely associated with, someone who has guided me in different situations, and the person who has pushed me, I should say, to ensure that I am here today. It is he who approached and asked me for funds, along with, of course, other members. And therefore, I really appreciate and would once again put on record a deep sense of appreciation for Reverend S.S. Myriaw for having taken the initiative, because of which we are all present here today. Friends, health sector has been one of the most challenging sectors for us as a government and as a society. In the last 7 years, our government has taken number of steps to bring reformation to the health sector. I'm happy to inform you that our government spends 9% of its budget on health sector. To give it in perspective of the nation, the Meghalaya government is the highest spender in terms of percentage of the budget in the entire country. So 9% is what we spend, which is the highest compared to any other state in the country.